those handles might look familiar. This is a desk that matches the 2 dresses that I made over for my sons. They do not want a desk, they want side tables. So we are going to be cutting this in half today, and we are going to be making it into side tables. I am super motivated. This thing weighs a ton, and we are getting close to moving out of here and down south somewhere. So with that, let's get into it. I grew up in Australia, watching my dad build and restore and create things, and the passion that lives in him lives in me too. So I decided to start this channel after some encouragement from my husband. My name is Sarah, this is 445 Designs, and if you are new, I am so glad that you have clicked on this channel. If you are returning, guys, I'm so thankful for you. Thank you for showing up week after week. I just love you to pieces. This channel is all about loving old furniture back to life again. Like I said, have a passion for restoring things, and this is just my vlog, my journal of that journey, and I'm so thankful that you guys are here. Hello. Jumping in here just to say a massive thank you to Melissa. You know who you are. Thank you so much for buying me a coffee. Buying me 4 coffees. I wish we could have had those in person, but I am so grateful and so thankful for you, and I just wanted to say that. So thank you so much. I have 80 grit sandpaper on here because I really want to rip through it. I want to curve this edge, and I'm going to curve over here as well. Alright, here we go. I'm going to repair this gouge and this little gap.
Looked cool without one though.
Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so completely dismantle it, taking the top off. The top's been sanded. I'm actually going to sand all of this back to bare wood. It seems kind of pointless to clean it, but there's so much dust and mold on this that I don't want to be spinning that up into the air. I'm just gonna give it a clean. So slid it back in so I know exactly where it needs to go. So that's the back there. See that? And the piece is just going to sit in there like that. So, running glue along the edge using my accelerator. And just for backup, and because I love power tools, I'm going to staple gun, nail gun. There we go. Starbond's brilliant, love it. I used the thick glue this time with the accelerator. My affiliate link and a 10% discount can be found in the description. Alright, sanding. I'm going to take my Winmax. I'm going to take my Minwax water-based pristine. It's just a conditioning solution for the wood. I'm going to paint it all on, and after 1 to 5 minutes I'm going to wipe back whatever didn't soak in, and then tomorrow I'm going to let dry overnight, and then tomorrow I will stain these. Be staining them in dark walnut. Using an old Dixie Belle Gator Hide sponge that I have that I just use only for stain. before, after. Once that's dry, I'm going to flip it over and do the lip around the edge. Oh, the handles. Right. When I did the repairs on the underneath with the Bondo, there was a gouge missing there and then that line. The Bondo is not staining as well as the real wood, so I'm just taking a gel stain. I'm going to leave that for a few minutes and then I'll wipe it off. I love doing bedsides like this, turning something that's not needed or wanted into something that's useful. It was quite simple. I mean, the deconstruction, you just have to be careful and take it one step at a time and deconstruct and take a really good look at it. Don't just hack straight into something. Which I've done. I laugh because I've done that. I'm learning to take it slower and deconstruct it carefully and slowly. But I hope you guys are well. I hope you are happy. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have a lot of hopes. Have a great week, guys, and I will see you on next week's piece. I'll stick a little teaser in here. Bye, guys.